In the spring of 1973, a pivotal moment in the history of technology unfolded as Vinton Cerf and his collaborator, Bob Kahn, embarked on a groundbreaking journey to design the TCP's IP protocols. The world stood on the brink of a digital revolution, and Cerf's vision was nothing short of transformative. Together, they crafted the very language that would enable computers around the globe to communicate seamlessly. Through months of intense brainstorming and countless iterations, they developed a robust and scalable protocol that could adapt to the ever-growing demands of a connected world. By the end of their journey, they had laid the foundation for the modern Internet, a sprawling network that would forever change how we interact, work, and share information. Their achievement was a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation, and it set the stage for a future where connectivity knew no bounds. This moment marked the beginning of an era, one that would bring people closer together than ever before.